I don't understand, baby. Telling me tell her like I can, baby. Something correction, that's the plan, baby. It's not enough. I'm selling it, but it's not enough. You better reach them, but it's not enough. See you giving it myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass. Somebody gotta do it. I make them niggas mad. Somebody gotta do it. I said, G, watch a nigga do it. The vibe outside off from the music, nigga. Turn this TV off. Ain't with my type of activity. Don't you get involved. Hey, what? How many shots in? Send them off. Take a whistle, take a trip. You know I'm tripping for my dog. Through your whip. Couple sergeants and lieutenants for the get back. This revolution been televised. I fell through with the knickknacks. Hey, young nigga, get your chili up. Yeah, I meant that. Hey, black out. They act out. Yeah, I did that. Hey, what's up, though? I hit a bitch that's hating on a bitch and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas and they both broke. If you ain't coming for your chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like he entitled cause he knew me since a kid. Bitch, I cut my granny off and she don't see it how I see it. Big mouth, but he like big ideas. Send him to the moon, that's just how